Hello, first grade. Welcome to your next phonics lesson. All right, today's lesson, we're going to be reviewing the sounds that we went over yesterday. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the sounds that we're going over this week are three different sounds. The first one is the sh sound. Can you say that with me? Sh. Great job. The SH make the sh sound. We hear that word in the word shall. We also hear it in ship and trash. Notice in ship, I hear the word at the beginning of the word, the sound. In trash, I hear the sh at the end. So sh can come at the beginning or end of a word. The next word sound we're going over is the th sound. Can you say that with me? Great job. The TH makes the th sound. We hear this word in this sound in the word thumb. Can you say that with me? Thumb. Very good. We also hear it in the word that and path. Notice in that the sound TH comes at the beginning of a word. In path, the sound TH comes at the end. So is also a pattern that can go at the beginning or the end of a word. Here's the next one, ng. Can you say that with me? Ng. Very good. The ng sound is made with the ng. We hear it in sing or ring. Notice I only see the ng at the end of the word. That means I'm not going to use this pattern at the beginning. All right, let's go ahead and practice blending some of these words and sounds. Remember, we are going to start sound by sound, and then we're going to blend the whole word together. So let's go ahead and get started. Sound, oo, ing, ring, fl, ash, blend, flash. Very good. Ick, blend, thick. Sh, blend, shock. Cool, blend, cloth. All right, let's go ahead and practice blending inside our head. Remember, we're only going to say the sounds in our head and then say the whole word out loud. Ready? That. Thump. Moth. Shed. Trash. Shall. Okay, now let's just practice reading the whole word. Ready? Wing. Bring. Stung. Good job. Okay, now we're going to practice changing out different sounds to make brand new words. So here we have the word thing. Okay, let's change the th to w. What word do I get? Wing. Great job. Let's change the w to s. What word do I get? Sing. Let's add a l after the s. What word do I get? Sling. Let's change the l to t. What word do I get? Sting. Let's take out the t. What word do I get? Sing. Let's change the s to r. What word do I get? Ring. Let's add a b in front of the r. What word do I get? Bring. Let's change the br to w. What word do I get? Wing. Let's change the w to th. What word do I get? thing. Let's change the let's change the ng to unk. What word do I get? Think. Good job. Let's change the unk to n. What word do I get? Thin. Good job. Let's change the I to ah. What word do I get? Than. Good job. Give yourselves a silent cheer. All right, first grade, high five. Great job blending those sounds. Go ahead and practice the rest of your learning activities, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, first grade.